Nope. Diaper doesn't fit. Something like that.
Talk so fast I can't understand.
Yeah, me too.
What the hell? Is it too tight? Is it good? Poor little guy.
Shaking.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You missed the first diaper.
Do you want to go on with this one or you want to finish with yours?
I think we're done, but I don't know.
There he goes.
Baby's clean, baby's wrapped, baby's diapered. What's left?
Okay. I don't know.
Hey, baby.
Alright, why don't you bring baby over here? Just baby, not the blanket.
Oh, okay.
So one blanket's here for you.
Alright.
It's pissed.
Pick him up.
Two hands, lift the head, and then one on your bum. That's right. Bring him up like this now. Head here. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Ooh, is it nice and warm? Ooh, good. There we go. Alright. Then you can have a little picture together, you guys. Alright. Okay, where are you going to? Alright, there. Is it nice and warm for you? Oh, sorry,
It's
you
okay.
can change. Change a little bit. You want to? Alright.
Reminds me of a burrito. I'm hungry now.
No, you get warm? Okay, so here. Mommy. Oh, baby, like that. Daddy, get your camera out. You can sit here with. Is this your first child?
Yes, yeah.
Huh?
No, it's the second.
This is your second?
Yeah, the
Oh,
first
okay.
one was a stillborn.
Oh, okay.
That's the wrong way. I want to have a picture with you guys.
Okay, Dad, you go there. We'll take pictures for you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Right. Is it ready?
Yeah.
I'll take it down. Yeah, yeah.
I think it's done.
Okay, let's do one more. Okay. You have different formats. Okay, did it take it?
Yeah.
Okay, have a look and see if you like them or
something
not.
to-